Today I'm saving tomato seeds for years to come. Whether you're planning for next season or building a long-term seed bank, follow these steps. Start by picking some fully ripe tomatoes like these. For seed saving, you want them at peak maturity to ensure the seeds are fully developed. And for those of you who've seen our previous videos, you can see that the bell pepper plant growing right here in the Simcratki box is still producing peppers and forming beautiful new flowers. Now I'm going to extract the seeds. I just squeeze them out into a small container. Do this for as many tomatoes as you want seeds from. Add a little water so the seeds are completely submerged, and place the lid on loosely so gases can escape. We'll leave this to ferment at room temperature for about 2 to 4 days. I have a batch here that has already been fermenting for 4 days. You'll know it's ready when a bit of film or a little mold forms on top, and the seeds settle at the bottom. This fermentation breaks down the gel and kills off diseases, giving you healthier plants next season. Now I'll rinse them several times until the water clears up. You can see the clean seeds settling at the bottom. Next, I pour them into a large sieve and wash them some more. I first try to gently spread them with my finger. And then I use the end of a spoon to finish spreading them out so they can air dry properly. I let them dry in the sieve for 1 to 3 days. Since they can be hard to get out of the sieve, I use a fabric glue to gently rub them down onto a plate. They stay on the plate for at least 4 weeks to make sure they are completely dry. After that, just scoop them up into a paper bag or whatever container you want to store them in. Don't forget to label them. Mine are Bonsai Micro Tomato April 2026. The easiest way to store them is simply at room temperature in a dry place like a kitchen drawer. They will stay viable for at least 3 years this way. If you have a cooler, darker and drier place, they can last even longer, but a drawer is more than enough to get you started for the next seasons. And here is the proof that this method works. These are seeds I stored previously, showing a fantastic 97% germination rate. Happy harvesting and good luck with your next generation of tomatoes.